Why should I know where my furnace filter is installed? You should know because finding and replacing the filter helps protect your heating system, improve indoor air, and prevent expensive damage. Your furnace filter catches dust, pet hair, lint, and tiny particles before air moves through the furnace and the rest of your home. When the filter becomes clogged, your furnace has to work harder to push air through it, which can raise energy use and make rooms heat unevenly. A very dirty filter can also cause the furnace to overheat and shut itself off, leaving you without heat on a cold day. The filter may be inside the furnace cabinet, in a return air grill, or in a slot near the blower, so look for a rectangular cover along the large air return duct. Before removing it, turn off the furnace or set the thermostat to off, then check the arrow on the replacement filter so it points toward the furnace. Most standard filters should be checked every month and replaced about every 1 to 3 months, but homes with pets, smokers, allergies, or construction dust may need more frequent changes. One useful detail is that a filter that looks slightly gray is not always full, while a filter packed with dust can restrict airflow even if the furnace still seems to run normally. Write the filter size on your phone or take a picture of the label and keep a spare nearby so replacement is easy. A common mistake is choosing a filter that does not fit tightly, so measure the old filter and match its length, width, and thickness. Another mistake is assuming a higher filtration rating is always better, but an overly restrictive filter can reduce airflow, so use the rating recommended by the furnace manufacturer unless a heating professional advises otherwise. Some people wash disposable filters, which can damage them and spread moisture or mold, so replace them unless they are clearly labeled reusable. If the furnace still shuts off, makes unusual noises, or has weak airflow after a new filter is installed, stop troubleshooting and contact a qualified professional. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.